Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be almost like a walkthrough through my journey of hair care, some kind of tips and tricks that I've learned along the way, and while doing so I thought it'd be a great idea to kind of incorporate a hair tutorial as well. So that's what we have planned for today. Definitely, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any sort of recommendations or comments, definitely go ahead and leave those down below. The first thing that I wanted to mention is, ladies, please do not wash your hair every single day. I admit I am a culprit of this. I used to wake up in the morning, have a shower, wash my hair, blow dry it, and by the evening my hair was already oily and I kept asking myself why. Well, your body kind of gets used to being washed every single day, and so it's producing more oils because your hair is more dry. That is why your hair is constantly getting oily a lot quicker. Now, if you start breaking it down and only washing your hair every second or third day, you'll notice that it doesn't get as oily as quickly. Now, it does take a while for that to kind of work itself out, for your body chemistry to kind of work out, so it's not producing as much oils as it was previously. So there are going to be a couple days that you got to suffer through with your hair being a little bit oily, but trust me, it's worth it. My hair has never felt so healthy and so clean. It's never grown to this. I don't remember the last time my hair has been this length. Like, I was a child. It was always kind of up to here and it just would not get any longer than that. Definitely, I found that washing my hair only every 2 or 3 days did make a huge difference. On the days that I felt like my hair was a little bit more oily, I will use something like a dry shampoo. The one that I do recommend is from Way Hair Care. This is their dry shampoo foam. It's not drying to the hair. It's super moisturizing. I don't want to do any right now because I obviously just washed my hair. But it is like a foam, like a mousse. You spray some into your hand, you kind of lather it and work it into the roots. It works wonders. It's not going to leave a white cast or anything like that. Next, I want to mention as well, try and not blow dry your hair as often. If you can, try and let it air dry. For myself, I always shower at nighttime now, so I'll wash my hair at night around 7 p.m. let it dry for about 2-3 hours, and then go to bed and then style it in the morning. This has definitely helped in the amount of breakage that I see in my hair because I'm not constantly applying that heat to it. And when I do apply heat to it, it's actually in larger sections, so I'm not damaging the hair as much. I'll kind of show you guys in the tutorial. The next thing that I wanted to mention is shampoo and conditioner. So the ones that I'm using right now is the Briogeo Be Gentle Be Kind Kale and Apple Replenishing Superfood Conditioner and the Matchin Apple Replenishing Superfood Shampoo. Now, I'll always use these in combination with each other. When I shampoo, I'll shampoo everything, everywhere. When I condition, however, I'll only condition my ends. I found by doing this, I'm not getting as much buildup on my scalp, so I'm not getting as oily as quickly. I came to the realization that my roots don't really need conditioner. It's mostly my ends where I'm kind of getting dry in those areas. So definitely kind of limit the amount of conditioner that you're using. You need a very small amount and mostly just apply it to the ends. So we'll go ahead and jump in what my kind of daily routine is for hair. I use 2 irons. I'll use my curling iron. This is the 3-Day Bender from Drybar. I absolutely love this curling iron. And as well, I'll use my hair straightener. This is Brocado. I've had this since like high school. I know that's kind of the same way a lot of you girls are. Kind of straightening irons last forever until finally just one day that's it. This I really enjoy. I couldn't even tell you where you guys could pick it up now, so I am sorry for that, but it's just a basic straightener. So I'll go ahead and section my hair. So I just section it in 4 parts. So I am going to first split it down the middle. It doesn't have to be exactly precise. And you'll notice my hair is very staticky. I live in Calgary and it is super dry and It is still winter outside. Well, spring, I guess now. All right, so when I section, I just section kind of just right behind the ear there. And take my brush. I use just a regular brush that I got from like London Drugs or Shoppers Drug Mart. It's just a boar bristle brush. And taking my curling iron, now I curl it straight up close to the head and hold that for about 15 seconds. Next part I'll take straight down the middle. And it's okay working in larger sections. I want more kind of a wavy look. And with this curling iron, I find that you're okay working in the larger sections. The hair will still curl. It took me a long time to get used to this curling iron because you actually twist the barrel using this area here, and it twists and it pulls the hair in. Now my hair is still a little bit damp. That's okay though, because I am working in such large sections. It's not going to burn the hair by any means. All right, so once we have that, we'll go ahead and do the other side. And that is it for the curling portion of this. So now you can just leave it like this, kind of brush it out. I do like to go the extra mile, and I will take my straightener. I have small little baby hairs that I absolutely hate, and especially if I am wearing my hair behind my ears or anything like that, they do show up. So I just take my straightener and I just kind of straighten out almost like the sideburn areas here, kind of just all the areas around the face. And I will straighten out just the bang area slightly. I won't take it down all the way because I obviously still want that little bit of curl in there. It's doing like a weird flip, so this one I'm going to take down a little bit further. And last trick that I like to do is, instead of leaving the ends curled, I'll actually just take kind of each section that I did and I will straighten those areas. If you're wondering what that sound is, yes, that is my straightener vibrating. It's just one of the things that it does. It's supposed to move the hair pieces, kind of vibrate them in between so that it straightens quicker. Do I believe this works? Yeah, it actually straightens pretty fast. Do I think it's necessary? No. But it was kind of one of the gimmicks that got me into buying it. Now, the last part is just brush through everything. And let's see if I can bring you out a little bit here. So this is kind of the final look here. Very nice everyday look, gives you a little bit more kind of body. One thing I did want to mention as well, I have a wonderful husband that will trim my hair for me every month, 2 months or so, and I noticed that that's been really helping as well. It just gets rid of all the dead ends. Basically what I'll do is once I get out of the shower, I'll kind of brush my hair down straight, and he just takes regular kitchen scissors, honestly, and he just kind of goes along a straight line. He only ever cuts off maybe 1/4 of an inch each time. But it does give my hair that blunt look, which in my opinion actually makes my hair look more fuller than it actually is. I do have very thin hair, but with having that kind of blunt look, it gives it a little bit more kind of volume, thickness kind of look. And that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Definitely, if you have a comment, leave it down below. And if you like this video, then definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you all again next time.